Hello, this is Tamer Zain from ElliottWaveForex.com with your weekly Euro-US dollar analysis. As expected, the euro continued moving towards the downside, and this is likely the beginning of a temporary downtrend that will span several more weeks at least. This is all part of a large contracting triangle pattern, which effectively began on March 2015 and which may very well continue for 2 or 3 more months. We're updating our accounts to reflect the most recent price action and to present tighter targets and invalidation points. So beginning as usual with the big picture on the weekly chart, we can see that the euro is moving towards the downside in cycle wave X, which is forming a double zigzag labeled primary waves W, X, and Y, where primary wave Y is forming a zigzag labeled intermediate waves A, B, and C. Intermediate wave A formed an impulse labeled minor waves 1 through 5, where minor wave 5 made an extension labeled minute waves 1 through 5. Now, our main count on the daily chart sees that the euro is still moving sideways in intermediate wave B, which is forming a contracting triangle labeled minor waves A, B, C, D, and E. Here we can see that minor wave B formed a zigzag labeled minute waves A, B, and C, retracing 95% of minor wave A, and then minor wave C formed another zigzag labeled minute waves A, B, and C, retracing about 78.6% of minor wave B. Now, this count expects the euro to be moving towards the downside in minute waves A, B, and C to complete minor wave D. At 1.0780, minor wave D would reach 50% the length of minor wave B, then at 1.0639 it would reach 61.8% of its length. This wave count is invalidated by movement above 1.1718, as minor wave C of this contracting triangle may not move beyond the start of minor wave B, and it's also invalidated by movement below 1.0525, as minor wave D may not move beyond the start of minor wave C. Now let's take a look at our alternate count, which sees that intermediate wave B is already complete and that the euro is now moving towards the downside in intermediate wave C, which is forming an ending diagonal labeled minor waves 1 through 5. Within it, minor waves 1 and 2 are now complete, and this count expects the euro to continue moving towards the downside in minute waves A, B, and C to complete minor wave 3. This will be confirmed by movement below 1.0525. Now at 1.0439, minor wave 3 would reach 78.6% the length of minor wave 1, then at 1.0183 it would reach 100% of its length. This wave count is invalidated by movement above 1.1718, as minor wave 2 may not move beyond the start of minor wave 1. That's all for our analysis for this week. I wish you profitable trading and see you next time.